Okay, we go. So, thanks a lot to give me the opportunity to speak about our common project, because I am French first and I am working a lot on the Spanish side. Our firm is based on the Spanish side, and we try to balance on the two countries. You see, we have different steps in our vision and our approach of the development for BioWell. So, the future of electrophotonic on official plan, that is very huge project, and you will see it will be accessible to everybody. An international course and a worldwide academy to unite all the experts in the world. So, I click, it didn't work. Check. Ah, yeah, excuse me, on. It's better with So, okay. So, on the French side, we start, if you want. We have a very recent partnership with the famous and biggest school in France, excuse me. The name is GeoBios Group. GeoBios Group is teaching, geobiology, bioenergy, holistic health, and Feng Shui too. In total, they have 12 teachers with a top level teacher. It's a very, very serious school. And they have 7 schools on the French territory. They have 2 new special sectors, especially for us, is EPI, electrophotonic imaging, and bioelectronic. That was an old technique, but very useful to show the property and the energy of some products and some samples. And the future professor of this school will be evidently the Professor Korotkov, Dmitry Orlov, Elena Yanovskaya, if she is always okay to show the energetic and psychological approach, the Dr. Florence Pousset, a friend of me, and myself. So that will be a team to teach step by step in this school. So we consider util to go at the different level of electrophotonic imaging. The first is in our language in France, intensive session. After we give advanced session, psychoenergetic session, and level 2, like last year again. And special sessions about environment and Sputnik measurements, because in this school, the majority of people are geobiologists or geobiologists. I don't know the word in English, you know. And on the Spanish side, it's a different way. We have 3 principal steps of development. In Zaragoza, in the beautiful city, we teach in Aura Center. I will show you the Aura Center. Later, we organize weeks stays in the Vitarigen Center. We rent a beautiful village to do an education of health, integrative and holistic health during 6 days. And after, I had the opportunity to teach in the Royal University of Madrid since last year. And we organize training and diplomas dedicated to all the professionals, not only the student in electrophotonic, but for everybody, medicine, osteopathy, acupuncture, homeopathy, etc. So, we come back in Zaragoza. Zaragoza, in our center, we organize 2 types of events. So, the first idea is to try to open overall basic knowledge in EPI to the public. For example, when the people listen EPI, electrophotonic imaging, or BioWell, they didn't know anything about that. And we try to organize a sort of conference. In general, it is end of day, after 8 p.m., and the people come just to have information, basic information, and we organize some small event with a workshop just to show in live what happens when we use this technology. And second way, we organize a sort of session special to motivate the professional, medical doctors, osteopaths, etc., to buy this type of technology and to use it during the consultations. So, Aura Center was built during the Universal Exhibition last time in Saragossa. That was a huge space dedicated to this exhibition, and Aura Center was built especially to show new design in the proximity of Saragossa. Just near, you have the beautiful Church of Pilar, and from the inside of Aura Center, you can see that by the windows. It's fantastic. You see, look, you have from my office inside, you can see that outside. It's totally a big contrast. It's beautiful. So, and in this place, I organize a sort of meetings, or with public, or with professional, but later in the night, because the professional must come after the office. So, and I teach electrophotonic here, and it's the start of a long way to obtain the diploma in the university. Later, we created 5 years ago this center in Spain. That is a unique place in the world, so beautiful and so wild in the full nature, with beautiful landscape. I will show you later. We had a night here with the Dr. Lagarde from France. He told me 10 years ago we could organize a sort of center dedicated to teach the holistic view of the health, etc. But we must find a place, a special location dedicated to that. And we search. First in Switzerland, where we look, but we have a lot of proximities, a lot of neighbors, etc. And it was difficult to find a wild place in Switzerland. So, and the place were a little bit hate. So, we went back in France. We didn't find. We went in Spain, but in the Catalonia, near Barcelona, etc. In this area. We find some points, but locations, it was not perfect. And one day he told me, you know very well the Aragon area, it's the north of Spain, and perhaps you can give me an idea. Yes, come please, Claude, and we will see. And we have choice this place, I will show you just later. We have a lake of 50 kilometers long with beautiful colors, and we are alone on the river. Unique. We have 1,000 hectares of total wild nature linked to the place. A private village. We organize healthy and organic foods with the chief of the cook. We systematically teach health holistic approach of the view we have all together. Workshops principally around BioWell and BioCore, because the first day when the people arrived, we check systematically all the people with BioWell. We prepare a program with frequencies of BioCore. We inform the water. We have a special system of the Dr. Guillaume Deschamps with a sort of system to not inform the water, to structure the water, and after, in the bottle, they put structured water, and they inform the water with the BioCore music, if we can speak about music. For me, it's more frequency songs. Okay. And we organize also physical activities, but every time with 2 levels, because all the people are not champions, and we organize for the quiet people and for the sportsmen. Okay? So, just to show you the place, that is a lake, 50 kilometers long, and that is our village. Okay? So, we have huge canyon here to walk, incredible landscape, the village come closer, okay? Here we have a huge conference hall, or to teach if we have big group, or to dance the night after the dinner. So you can see the village from the sky, okay? It was built in the year 1030, we don't know exactly. It was abandoned and rehabilitated during 30 years long to move it in a hotel, okay? So we organized a sort of last Friday, the last Friday, three days ago, we were in the Pirogas on the lake. So we managed, you see, in this year, it was 4 years ago, a sort of inauguration with Constantine. We have a small conference hall, it is this, for small groups, and if we organize, for example, a huge congress or something else in the center, we can use a huge hall. This hall is made of glasses like this, but huge and with a view on the lake. We eat very finely. All is done with a lot of love, with a lot of application. And as I told you, after the dinner, not each night because it will be. But for example, last Friday we finished the night at 2 a.m. and it was a long day, And we drink also very good champagne from local champagne, biologic champagne, just the good doses to enjoy the life. So. Another topic, just to show you, it's Royal Madrid University. I have a huge opportunity last year because this university is one of the unique in the world organizing a sort of medicine integrative week, a full week of specialists coming from all the Spain and other countries speaking about integrative medicine. And they proposed to me last year to do a conference during 4 hours, all the second part of the day. So I told yes. And when, to present electrophotonic. And when they listened me speaking about that, they were so much interested, they told me, please, we want to continue by a sort of direct partnership with you, but in a long term. Right? Explain me, please, because I didn't understand what I want to tell me. And at the final, they asked me to teach in the universities electrophotonic. Okay, I told yes, with pleasure. And they told me again, it's good, but we have an integrative medical clinic inside, and you could manage with us scientific studies to give a lot of papers and studies to the WHO, the World Health Organization. I told yes, but I need an assistant. And on the Spanish side, I have an assistant. His name is Julian Marin, and this man is Spanish origin, Spanish, and he is very useful for me, helpful, because alone I cannot do. I need to sleep sometimes, and he helped me a lot when we have some obligations in Madrid, okay? So, just to tell you, explain you, that Madrid University has a direct link with the National Health Organization, with the WHO, evidently, with UMAB, because at the start, when they discover my position with you all together, the team with Constantine, they were very interested by the link with UMAB. The integrative medical center with patient is open to the public. For example, if the people from the street want to come to have a consultation in the university, they are doing some low cost, if we can tell that, to have consultation less expensive than in a normal consultation. It opens that to the student to have more and more patients and to practice immediately in their own specialty. So, international sessions are scheduled in 3 languages, Spanish, English, and French. And at the end, and that is more interesting for everybody, in the university, we will give an official diploma of expert in electrophotonic, and it will be recognized by the WHO. And that is the best news I think I can give you. So, but to give this diploma, they want that all the students follow the 4 common seminars I spoke you about just before, because we cannot accept person who is coming from the street, discovers electrophotonics 1 week ago, and decide to be expert in electrophotonics. It's impossible. He could have basic knowledge on Earth, evidently. He must have the basis, and after knowledge in electrophotonics. But that, if they are French, for example, I give my authorization to this or their students to pass the final diploma. If they come from our countries, it's just a regulation to organize between me, Constantine, Dimitri, and the other. Okay? So, that is Madrid University. That is a very old university, you know, and very famous, because in Spain it is rarely a reference. Okay? After, we have a special department for integrative medicine. It's in a new building just near from here, and they have a clinical program Philippus. It's special for integrative medicine. Okay, they don't mix, for example, the study to be a lawyer and the study to be a medical doctor. They have a special department. You see, they can teach medical general medicine from family, physiotherapy, psychology, naturopathy, osteopathy, homeopathy, acupuncture, kinesiology, chiropraxie, reflexology, lymphatic drainage, and technique bioenergetic. What else? What else? They teach all special integrative techniques linked to the classic medicine. Integrative medicine department, we have 4,500 meters square dedicated to the study and consultation, 10 offices for the student to practice, and 15 specialization in this medicine integrative university. So, that was one of the last sessions I organized here about electrophotonics. That was the first slide of the day. We teach people with a lot of practice in clinic example. The person come here in the office. They give us some details, and we manage some measurement, and after we try to give the first impression to the student to see what could be the use of biocore music, etc. That is academic director. He was first an engineer, very top-level engineer, but step by step he moved in integrative medicine, and now he is professor like me in the university, but he teach a different way because he use the bees for the treatment. What is the name for Sansu, you know? No. Like you practice in the past. Leech therapy too. And he's a naturopath. After to be engineer, he's now naturopath. Okay. So, and that you see, that in his end is a contract. We have firm for 5 years to start, and we go further each year. Okay. The huge project we manage actually with Constantine is this part of the university project, because it's a global vision of the future and the future medicine. We will have an agreement found by a lot of rectors of different universities. We open this possibility to different professional and institutions, officially linked by the health, evidently. We will have a direct link and agreement with the Professor Konstantin Korotkov and the International Union of Medical and Applied Bioelectrography. It will be based on biowell integrative medicine and techniques, and it's to prepare the tomorrow medicine, you understand, okay? So, that is a project. It's huge. It takes a lot of time because the lawyers of the university prepare a long, very long contract to be firmed by the principal actors on this project. And we are waiting just some weeks, and it will start really, in my feeling, to September or October maximum. You see the conclusion. I hope that you will be with us in this project because it is scheduled for you. At the start, it's not for our 2 persons. It's all for everybody who is working in this way, or integrative medicine or electrophotonic imaging. You see? Thank you. You have my email. If you need some question about the project, you can write me. You can write to Constantin also, but you can write me if you want to take part in this project. Because after the firm we will have from the principal actors of this project, it will start very fast. And the idea is to organize as soon as possible a sort of very big events. And we could be much more, evidently, because it could be easier for the access, to organize, and it could be very interesting for everybody. Okay, it's my feeling. Okay? So if you have some question, I am ready for you.
Christian, I have this question. You see, this Vitergen, we know it's a beautiful place. It's a really fantastic place because I've been there at Vitergen. It's really fantastic. It's a unique place in the world, really unique. And the week there, we've been with Marina, with my wife. It was a wonderful time, relaxation and training and everything. So how do you think? Does it make sense to maybe to have conference over there, international conference?
Yeah.
To make it practical conference, just only for people who are using BioWell. It will be sessions, training, presentations, and I would say field studies as well. For example, today I present you ideas about measurement with Sputnik at some territory. So we know some place of high energy over there. We know this. So we can go there, and with several Sputniks or many Sputniks, we can make this measurement on this network.
Yeah.
And then of course, everything will be published, and it will be very good for people to know how it should be done.
Yeah. Yeah.
And of course, training sessions, practical sessions.
It could be a possibility. The only thing is access, as you know, because your flight was to Barcelona. Irina come by the station of Lérida, but you can fly to Barcelona directly from Russia, or you can fly to Saragossa. And when you are in Barcelona, you are at 3 hours of our center. If you fly to Saragossa, you have 1 hour 30 minutes.
You see, of course, it should be international.
Yeah.
So it's not so much not to Russia because language should be.
No, I speak about Russia because I fly.
But you see, if international, then the best flying to Barcelona.
Yeah,
because
for sure.
All over the world, there are flights to Barcelona.
Cheaper, easier.
And much cheaper.
Sure.
And driving 3 hours, it's not a big problem.
No, it's
only beautiful
motorway.
Road there, beautiful.
Only motorway, 3 hours. Yeah, we could organize a bus.
So I would ask you to just write down. So we need to think about this. How much would it cost? For example, if we organize it for 5 days or for 6 days, what would be the demand for people?
Yeah.
What we can offer to people. So to make it as offer when it's the best time, June, July, August, whatsoever, and September maybe. Because it's all best times.
Yeah. It's the best season is just before the high season, to end of June, and just to give you some wishes of good weather. In this place, we have 325 days of sun per year, and for example, we were here all the week just before, and that was scheduled on the internet. Rain. I told me rain. Yeah, just but rain. We didn't see a drop. So just to see that in this area, rarely, if we have rain, it's not luck. But it's a very special and
Okay, so
interesting.
please think about this and prepare.
Yeah, we can
discuss
sing,
with-
and
yes, yes,
all
yes.
is planned to have a big congress if we want, or a small
No, what you need to
seminar.
tell. Okay, so group should be from, for example, from 10 people to 50 people.
maximum.
So
okay.
what's the minimum amount
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
would be profitable?
Yeah.
Because we need to be self-supporting at least, or
Yeah, yeah,
to get
yeah,
some
yeah.
profit. And what's the maximum amount that may
Yeah,
be
yeah.
accepted?
If you want to
But
do
maximum is not maximum.
serious workshop, it could be better less than 50.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Okay.
So we want to thank Christian Borders and his business partner Yves Jimenez for their work in Spain and France, first of all, and they distribute BioWell devices in other countries also, French-speaking countries and Spanish-speaking countries. And thank you very much for the work. You're holding, according to the statistics that we are running, the second place after the English language that is used in India, in United States, in Europe. So thank you very much for your work and for the input and all the projects
Yeah.
that you're doing. Thank you.
Thank you.